What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting, and you're looking at a brand new Tesla Model X we just pulled from the back. The customer that owns this car chose the Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 15% for the front doors, rear doors, and the back window. We did the upper Falcon sunroofs, and of course we did the front windshield with the Lumar Air 80. All the side windows in the back and the uppers were all digitally cut. The front windshield, of course, is done all by hand. It's a very difficult windshield to do. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and of course everything we do comes with the standard Signature Glass Tinting, no charge, no fault guarantee. Let's go in for a closer look. So this car comes with the white interior, and what I want to show off is the windshield. Very, very difficult to do. Not very many shops can do this front windshield. It's very, very hard to do. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. Back window, of course, was done in what we call a one-piece installation. Again, lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Do the old-fashioned thing and just give us a call. 949-515-8468.